Hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Facebook. First, we want to open Facebook. For this, just click on Facebook, and Facebook will start opening in front of you. Once Facebook is open in front of you, here we will see how we unblock someone on Facebook. For this, if you go to the bottom of your mobile screen, you will see a menu section. After clicking, the menu section will open in front of you. Here, if you go to the top right corner of your mobile screen, you will see a gear button. So, click on it. After clicking, settings will be open in front of you. Here, we just want to scroll down. Scroll down more, and you will see a section of audience and visibility. After finding that section, go to the bottom of this section, and you will see a blocking option in the second last, specifically unblocking section. After the blocking section, the unblocking section will open in front of you. Here, you can see there are 4 to 5 people who are blocked in my profile. To unblock these people, you can see an unblock section opposite the name of these people's profiles. So, click on unblock. After clicking on unblock, your phone is saying that if you unblock Sunny, he may be able to see your timeline or contact you, depending on your settings. After reading the description, click on unblock, and that person will be unblocked. They can see your profile or photos/videos according to your settings. That's the way to unblock someone on Facebook.